Morning, friends. I am not usually a man who can lecture to people. I was a lawyer for some time where my clients gave me what to speak. That is what I am supposed to deliver. Then I came to cinema. People of his caliber wrote down what I should speak. I had to learn it by heart and speak. Here you have all asked me to come and speak address. It is very easy to address two judges sitting in a bench because those judges will be willing to forgive my errors. It is easy to address a political gathering where my aim is to insult somebody, talk ill of the opposition, or talk ill of the other side, and people clap. But when I come and address a set of educated people, people in education, and people who have also trying to master what little I have done in cinema, it's going to be very difficult. In fact, I told a friend of mine who came and requested me, I would rather have a kind of question answer session. But they said, no, this is a sort of function where you will have to address as a speaker. So I am here. If my quality of speaking is not good enough, learn to forgive me. You are listening to a lawyer actor, not a speaker. And I'll tell you one thing. Any profession relates to hard work. Take, for instance, my friend, the director. What is the difference between me and him? He is a man of intelligence. I am only a man of wisdom. He is all creative. I am all experience. Sometimes experience helps. But experience will not become creative. So don't add me into these creative people who make. That is why I am an actor. Otherwise, I would have become a director or writer. So I would like to tell you about my experiences in life. Whatever we do is for the welfare of the world at large, people at large, and people around us. And nearest to us is the family we are taking care of. I think my father has done good work advising all his progenies to go into cinema, and the man is no more, but he asked me to go and see a cinema every day. No father would have advised way back in 40s to go and see a cinema every day, you must become an actor. I failed. I saw a cinema a day, but never learnt the trade. So he got hold of his last son at the age of 5 and made him a worker, film worker, became an actor, and he continues even today. And now, the old man who produced me has got 7 actors in the industry so far. I do not know how many more. But as far as I am concerned, I have to tell you what I believe in is to do what is good for the people. You'll be surprised, when I started as a lawyer, I had no reason where to spend the money. I ran a chicken farm because I felt egg is the best food and we must produce a lot of chicken. Later, it is not a done thing in a place like Paramakudi. Then next thing I did after I got promoted myself, I started a soap factory because I wanted people to be clean. From there, after doing a lot of work, I appeared for two political leaders, both opposite, I won't mention. Because if I become a fan of MGR, I am opposed to Shivaji. If I am a fan of Shivaji, it's opposed to MGR. If I know both, you will all oppose me because you will be either fan of Shivaji or fan of MGR. That is the problem here. So I thought in favor of the welfare of the people. Then I found cinema is the ultimate. That is why I came to cinema. Whether you have done anything, don't ask me to make any claims. I have done nothing. But I found, early on, I thought of it. It was all lawyers who were in politics. Take Gandhiji, take Jawaharlal, take Rajaji. All leaders were lawyers. You know why lawyers became political leaders? It is not because lawyers know law. Law is made by legislature and parliament. So lawyers were sent there. It is not the case. Lawyers had a profession where they could reach a lot of people with their thoughts. Every day a lawyer was meeting 50, 60 clients. So his thoughts he forced on them. Then came another method. Calling people in a crowd and addressing in a platform. That is what Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam did. DMK was full of speakers. Their ideas reached. Then after that, it is more, cinema is more than that. It reaches almost 5 lakhs people every day. A minimum of 5 lakhs people. That is why our state is ruled by mostly from people who came from cinema, because they were able to reach people. So cinema is one of the modems through which you reach and convey what you should do to people. Our problem is, we only know two things. One is sex, another is violence. So what we do? A love story, a villain, a love story to fall in love with, a villain to fight with. Find some more subjects. Find out what is good to people. And that is not what I have to find out, that my friend will find out. So the basic is, it is important to learn a process through which you reach number of people. You are all there. You are going to save the thinking of this country. So, thank you for this offer. I'll meet you again someday.
And many of the students have developed their own products and they are in very good position. It's because of this live course. And it was a 1-year program and we were running that very successfully. After that, due to some problem, we were not able to continue. So it was running for more than about 25 years. And for the last 10 years, we were not able to run that program. But we are running different programs in life depending upon the market value in the outside now. And I congratulate all the organizers of this program for arranging a program of this type. And I wish the organizers and all of you all the best. Thank you.
But the figure that remains in my mind of Mrs. Sarugasan as a spiritual person. I don't know how I have got this image. He speaks less, his movements are very slow, and by that he communicates that he is a person who is very deep. As I was talking to him in my office, not only now, even last year he had come, again and again it is reiterated that here we have a man who is deep in thinking. Whatever he communicates will have an impact in the audience. Also, we are very happy to have Vasant Sai, who has given a new thinking to this media field. My dear friends, I gratefully remember the wonderful service done by professors in Live. Live is very much interested in creating skills and improving the skill of every student who enters into this college. Also, it gives an ambience where your creativity can be tangibly, you can make it, you can realize it in your life here.